Hi my friends, it's me, Mr. Pete from Mr. Pete's Playhouse. I am so excited to share with you that my brand new book, Khari's Big Splash, is now available for you to read. In this story, Khari and his family spends the day at the beach. Together, they build a sandcastle, splash in the water, and sees all types of underwater creatures. But Khari becomes very scared and nervous to jump off of the big dock for the first time. As you read this story, you will see how Khari is able to overcome this fear and finally jump off of the big dock with his father. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to www.jpproductions.com to pick up your very own beautiful book called Khari's Big Splash, available right now. I hope you enjoy. See you soon. Run to the water.